Yo, what is up, YouTube? Back at it again. Hope y'all are having a great day. I hope y'all job's going good. I'm hoping y'all here ready to take in some information. Today we have a very good. I'm gonna go over a very broad, not broad. I'm gonna go over a very not too thorough of my whole strategy that I'm going into this drop. So basically, I have about 900 pieces, and I need to get these pieces gone. And I know exactly how to sell out. I sell out every drop. No matter how much pieces I get, I know exactly what to do if my drop doesn't sell out instantly. If it doesn't sell out instantly, it could be because of things like election. I mean, it could be a bunch of things that just are going on in the world that could affect drops that you just don't really pay attention to. So I dropped 17. My drop did let's see, about 3K. So we're at like 4K roughly. Well, you can just let's say about 4 6. You can see how slow it's been though. Like my drops normally don't be this slow, but we're at about 4K on the day. Today we're probably at about. Today I started my ads today, so today's like my first real day of actually marketing. So we'll break this whole entire structure down. Make sure you have your paper, your notepad, your blizzy. So like after you done doing this hard work, you gonna go smoke your blizzy. You feel me? So you feel good. So I'm gonna break it down. So basically what I did is about a week before my drop, I started promo. So basically I ran these ad campaigns. You can see how I set these up. I set up 7 ad campaigns, each one having a different ad set with 3 different ads or 4 different ads plus. So basically I'm putting all this traffic to put myself on the explore page, and when people click on my thing, it goes to view your profile. You view my profile, now you're looking at 5 different posts. You're doing a whole bunch of things. You're engaging. You go to my site's closed. So it gives you no choice but to join that SMS list or to follow me and update yourself on my page or know what I'm dropping. So I'm basically killing 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm crushing it because I'm getting some engagement. Pause. And I'm also crushing it because I'm checking all 3 boxes. I'm getting that engagement. I'm getting the SMS list, and I'm getting likes and followers. So I grew about 1,000 followers in about 3 days using like a $200 budget on this. So I basically have a bunch of different ads in each one. You see, these were my best winning ads at the time. That's why I chose these ads. I didn't just have random ads that I just picked. I chose my ones with the best metrics on Instagram already organically, which is just by itself naturally. So basically these are all over the explore pages. They're all over reels. You swipe on a reel, you're gonna see my ads. So these are broad, but if you want to learn more about that, go on my course. So I do this for about maybe 4 to 5 days. I ran this drop day. I turned off all my ads. All I left in was my best winners, which were 1 and 2. So I left 1 and 2 on, and I got those running at a 15 budget right now. You can see I might have spent $6 for almost 200 profile visits, which is crazy. It's 200 followers. All those people are gonna follow me and engage, because if you click on somebody's ad and you truly like it, you're obviously gonna follow them. You're gonna keep track of that. So that's how people grow their pages. This is a secret, but I break this down super thoroughly, exactly how to do it and how to make it work in my course. So go buy that. It's $20. It's gonna be on sale very soon. Get it now because it might go even up. But basically, I ran that. I let my pixel learn the data from January because it's 2025. It's a brand new year. I just let the pixel just learn its own strategy. Let it learn. Okay, this is who's gonna click your ad. This is who's gonna work with your ad this year. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So I'm getting that all work. I did that. So now we have conversion sales campaign. So this is 1 day after the drop or 2 days after the drop. I let the drop just organically go. Let the profile visits be on a very low budget, which is there at like $15 a day. Not spending too much. Letting them just slowly go. That gets me like a lot of followers, a lot of sales naturally. So I got 400 sales yesterday from just doing that alone. Maybe spending about $25 on that. Today, I've spent about $50 to make about $500, $600. And we're going to scale this every day. We're just going to keep increasing it. This is how I do most of my drops. I start very low with the budget, see what works, and then I double down, double down, double down. So basically, I have a conversion sales campaign. In each of these campaigns, I have 3 ad sets in each of the folders. And each of those folders have different ad groups. So basically, to break it down, I'll start out with just one. So this is the first one I created. And you can see it's still in this learning phase. It's already profitable at its learning stage, which is ridiculous. Even some haven't even spent any money. They're still preparing, which is crazy that I made $500 without all my ads even running and only spending $17.01. So I'm trying to tell y'all, y'all gotta join my course. All this information is stuff that you learn from drop shipping in 2016, but it can apply to this. We have to put our business everywhere. We have to use all of our skills that we know and put them in every basket. You feel me? You can't just have a skill and not put it in there. You feel me? So basically, I got all these ads running, each one with different ad sets, which is my winners. You can see these are all completely different posts than the ones you've seen before. Some of them are the winners, and some of them are new posts that I've made since that time, since my drop. So basically, you can see here, I have a retargeting. So every that's been clicking my website, I got all that data. Every that's been viewing my profile from the ad, I know that you want to buy, so I got all that data. So I'm basically putting that data back into the algorithm and letting it spit back out ads back out to those people, retargeting them, getting them back out. And then my final one is just targeted. So I'm basically targeting people that just aren't interested in this, that didn't really like see my product already, but they're like new people. So its own category, but this is my first time really setting up these retargeting campaigns this thorough. Normally I just do like a couple, but because of how much pieces I have, I'm willing to spend more money, have more ad sets, etc. So you can see here, profile visits, I spent about $9 to get one purchase. If you know my conversion rate, that's ridiculous. I'm spending $9 to get a $70 purchase, which is very good. And if we break it down even smaller, you can see which ads are working. So Deshae Frost bought it. I put him on an ad. And guess what? My cost per result is $2 per purchase. It's a blessing. So $17 per purchase. Like, I'm getting very good numbers. And I'm going to scale this. This is only day one. I turned this on. I didn't turn it on even at 12. I turned it on, matter of fact, just now. I just turned on the international shipping. I got all types of things on there. Hope y'all are ready for this, because this is for the scale. If you want to learn how to do this course in the bio, I'm going to break it down, do a full video on it, pretty much setting it up all over again and breaking it down, really creating it for you if you really want to learn that. I also teach you how to scale your brand, all the mistakes I made early on in my brand, how I turned my brand into a 6-figure brand in a couple months, and how you can do it also. Manufacturer list, tech packs, everything you need to start your brand. It's only $20. Everybody else is charging $50 a month. I'm charging you $20 one-time purchase, and you're in a community with a bunch of clothing brand owners who also have the exact same mindset as you. Hope y'all had a great day. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. You can put your pencil down, pick the blunt up, and have a great rest of y'all day. I'm going to catch y'all.